Hey gorgeous, today I'm going to teach you part 1 of a TWERK CHOREO. If you want to see it before you start, you can click on this video and make sure to watch it before. If not, let's go! So we are going to jump right in, literally, because we're going to start with a jump bounce. So tap, 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 tap. So how you do that is you can first practice with jumping, tap, 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 tap. And as you can see, if you just relax your booty, it already bounces up and down a little bit. But what you want to do is you want to tense your lower back to make sure that every time you jump, tap, 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 it comes up. So we start jumping beneath us and then open, beneath us, open, beneath us. We're going to do that 1 times 8. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, 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 ta. Then what we are doing is we are going to move down while we are bouncing up. So we're doing 3 bounces. We go 1, 2, 3. And then if you are a beginner, you can keep it at that. You can do a 4th one. So you can do 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're a little bit more advanced, I challenge you to do 1, 2, 3, down, down. And if you're not there yet, keep practicing and you'll get there. Let's start from our jump bounce, and then we're going to go all the way to the double down or the 4 times up if you are a beginner. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, 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 down. And now I'm going to do the beginner's version. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, 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 ta. I hope you got it so far. If not, you can always rewind. Then what we are going to do is we're going to bounce in our spot. So we are down here. And we are going to go ta, 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 ta. So the bounce is down, but you are jiggling. So you're jiggling up and down real fast. You don't really use your legs because you don't have time for that. So it's not when we're doing a normal bounce up or down. You can use your legs a little bit. With this one, I want you to keep still. Relax your butt cheeks. You can always jiggle them. If they're a little bit tense, they're yours. You can shift your weight a little bit further towards your knees, so you can lean a little bit like this if it is still hard to relax your butt cheeks. So shift your weight to your tippy toes and then ta, 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 ta. Then, let's start from the going down part. I'll do the beginner's version. We're gonna do it slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, up, 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 ta, 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 ta. So it's double tempo. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Let's do it 1 more time from the bounce, and then we're done for today. So I'm cutting it up into pieces because I realized that this is a little bit of a harder choreo. You can already practice the rest if you want. Next week, you'll see the rest of the video. And if you are one of the lucky ones who is watching this later, it's already online, so go check it out. Let's do it from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. That is the real tempo, real-time tempo. If you want to practice, make sure to look for J Balvin Verde. And then good luck. Let me know how it goes in the comments, and I'll see you next week for part 2.